Hello everyone, I'm Daniel Park, the team leader at Vissem Electronics research team. Today I'm excited to introduce our best-selling product, both here in Korea and internationally, and later I will guide you through its installation. This product has been widely supplied to major carriers like SK, LGU+, and KT, as well as clients in numerous countries globally. It is highly popular in the market due to its compact size, optimized structure, and superior quality. We will start with an introduction to the product features, followed by the installation guide. Let's look at the BS506A. This closure measures 490 by 165 millimeters and weighs just 2.5 kilograms. It features 5 inlet ports and utilizes a reliable gasket clamping method. The standard splice capacity is 144 cores, expandable up to a maximum of 288 cores, making it a high-performance solution for reliable network protection. Here is the main construction of the unit. It consists of the high durability cover, the one-touch clamp, the base, the splice trays, the tray supporter, and the tension member assembly. This modular design ensures easy assembly and convenient maintenance in the field. First, let's look at the cover design. It is built with a special reinforced structure to provide high resistance against external shock and pressure. It includes a built-in air valve for air tightness testing and an integrated hanger for easy installation. Furthermore, the gasket-mounted structure guarantees a perfect airtight seal. Next is the base design. It features 5 inlet ports to accommodate a variety of cable sizes. There is one oval port that supports main cables up to 24 millimeters in diameter and 4 circular ports designed for standard cables ranging from 8 to 16 millimeters. This is the clamp system. We utilize a one-touch coupling ring structure. This innovative design allows for incredibly quick and convenient opening and closing of the closure, significantly reducing work time for technicians. Moving on to the tray supporter. It features a fixed structure designed to accommodate up to 1.5 meters of excess fiber optic units. It is equipped with various fixing holes to secure the units and also serves to protect the slack storage plate from external impact. Now let's look at the splice trays. Each tray accommodates 24 cores, reaching a maximum of 48 cores per stack. A secure anti-fall protrusion design ensures sleeves are firmly fixed. It offers sufficient space for core wire dressing, and if selected as an option, it can be replaced with a slack storage plate capable of mounting up to 2 splitters. Finally, the tension member assembly. This component allows for fastening the center tension line simply by hand, without complex tools. The combination of washers and bolts is optimized to maximize work efficiency and ensure a secure hold. That covers the features of the BS506A. For more details, please contact Jason Kang, our overseas sales team leader, via the email or website on the screen. In the next video, I will show you the step-by-step installation process. This has been Daniel Park, research team leader. Thank you for watching.